The Genesis GV60 comes equipped with a brake disc cleaning function, which uses the braking system to clean the GV60's brake rotor faces. This feature is especially useful to clean and reduce brake noise produced from rust and other contaminants after activities such as a car wash. To activate the brake disc cleaning function, press and hold the auto hold button for 3 seconds. Once activated, a confirmation message will appear on the instrument cluster display. The regen braking feature will be turned off temporarily until the brake pedal is firmly depressed around 10 times during normal driving conditions. Light braking may not satisfy the cleaning requirements and may affect the duration of the process. The brake disc cleaning function will turn off automatically when cleaning is completed. If brake disc cleaning does not complete in time and the vehicle is turned off, it will have to be started over again once the vehicle is turned back on. To cancel the cleaning at any time, press and hold the auto hold button for 3 seconds. Keep in mind that while operating the brake disc cleaning function, the overall driving range and regen braking performance may be reduced. After finishing, the regen braking performance will be restored. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.